Oh my gosh!
I'm serious about his deer.
Oh my gosh, he just tried to bite me!
I don't think he's going to hurt you. But let's not take no chances.
Hello, Hachi. I'm scared of you
Hachi
now.
boy.
I'm scared of him now.
Hachi boy.
I don't think he's gonna answer anybody.
You look like you've been crying again. Do you think we put you out there for overnight or something? You're only out there for about 15, 20 minutes.
Not even that. I didn't do nothing. I wonder if he would be on it. He just went on a wild... I'm scared. I got scared. He turned around to scratch himself. And then I took the horn and I hit it. And he just went like this. He looked under him like this. It was funny.
Hot. That's one you're supposed to have. This is one your brother's supposed to have.
I forgot we had like 2 of them things. I'm scared to take this one. He's gonna turn around. Does Hachi still have that hangnail? Did it fall off?
I guess so.
Oh, that made me so sad. I was like, oh my gosh. Bandit doesn't growl at me. You said... Take it there. Here, Bandit. You can get the even bigger one. He gets mad. You can just put your hand right there. He just starts looking at you like, what you about to do?
I wouldn't mess with it.
I'm scared too. I'm scared if I even try to touch him, he'll snap my hand off. That dog scares me.
Yeah, I know that's yours.
Watch this. You gonna get mad? Okay.
Okay.
Wait, what happened to Bandit?
Hachi stepped on him.
Oh, Hachi.
It's not his fault. He was trying to get away from you or trying to take the
I don't know.
blame it on the poor dog. Hot.
Hachi's in a mood.
Yeah, that's obvious.
He thinks he needs to sharpen his teeth. I wonder if he heard those same voices I heard when I was outside. Oh, he just whined a little bit.
He's asking you not to.
Is that red? There's red on that. There's blood on this horn.
Where? Oh, it's been on there for a while. I don't know what it is. I think it was like polish or paint or something.
I don't know. I thought it was blood there for a second. I was going to say, oh no. Was that bleeding and I don't know it? My camera goes blurry. Dang. Close up. Hello. Hachi. Come on, look at this. I took his horn. I wonder if he's gonna take Bandits. I was right. He took Bandit. Did he take your... I don't have nothing. This is nasty. So, okay, that's nasty. No, what's the watch you? Yep, you see this? Big brother taking care of little brother. Nastiest thing in the world. I hit the deer horns. Shh. I did nothing. I did not take the deer horns. Don't look at me. Uh-oh. He has spotted the... I don't have the deer horns. He saw the deer horns and then started growling, and then he went to the water. Hey, Archie. Look down there. Hey, look down there. Hey, look down there. Look down there. Hachi.
It's alright.
Look what I have. You want one? Hey, Bandit. You're not supposed to have them back.
Hey.
Okay. Bandit, here. Oh, okay. Bandit, here.
Keep trading them.
Gosh, I got scared.
Yeah, I'm okay with him.
Hey, Bandit.
No, he don't want it anymore.
I don't want it anymore either.
He decided if his brother wants it that bad, he can have it.
Bandit. Here you go. Happy now. Close up on the main dog. Nanny. Nanny. Where'd he go? Oh, he's getting lovings by the grandma. I take it now. Here. Take it. I think he's scared to take it when brother's around. My gosh, it's the cutest thing ever. Look at him trying to drag it, Grandma. He's having trouble dragging it here. I don't know what to say about you.
Who, him?
Good night, guys.
There isn't much you can say about it.